Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trends. Today we are going to discuss the decoration of Christmas dinner table. But what is Christmas dinner table decoration? Christmas dinner table decoration refers to the festive arrangement of the dinner table during Christmas celebrations. It includes table settings, centerpieces, tablecloth, napkins, candles, and decorative accents that enhance the holiday atmosphere. The goal is to create a warm and inviting and visually pleasing dinner experience that complements the festive spirit of Christmas. Hi Sabu. Why is Christmas table decoration important? A beautifully decorated table sets the tone for a joyful and festive celebration. It creates an inviting ambience, making the meal more enjoyable. Table decorations allow hosts to showcase their creativity and personal style. A thoughtfully set table encourages meaningful conversation and family bonding. A well-decorated table adds to the special memories of Christmas gatherings. Now, question is that how to decorate a Christmas dinner table. Number 1. Choose a theme. Decide on a color scheme or theme such as rustic, modern, traditional, or winter wonderland. Number 2. Tablecloths and runners. Use a festive tablecloth or runner that matches your theme. Classic choice include red, green, gold, or plaid patterns. Number 3. Centerpieces. Use floral arrangements, candles, or holiday figurine as centerpieces. Consider natural elements like pine cones and evergreen bunches. Number 4. Place setting. Use festive dinnerware, glasses, and cutlery. Add decorative napkins tied with ribbons or holiday-themed napkin rings. Number 5. Name cards and menu cards. Personalized name cards and printed menus add a special touch. Number 6. Candles and lighting. Use candle holders or fairy lights for a cozy and warm glow. Number 7. Seasonal touches. Add Christmas ornaments, garlands, or small gifts for guests as table accents. Now we will discuss the simple and unique ideas for Christmas table decoration. Number 1. Minimalistic elegance. Use a white tablecloth with gold accents, a single candle centerpiece, and matching gold-rimmed dinnerware. Number 2. Rustic charm. Use burlap table runners, wooden placemats, and mason jars filled with cranberries and evergreen sprig. Number 3. Candy inspired. Opt for a neutral palette with wooden elements, simply greenery, and white candles. Number 4. Nature inspired. Create a centerpiece with pine cones, berries, and a eucalyptus garland running through the middle. Number 5. DIY ornaments. Use DIY Christmas ornaments as place cards or flavors for guests. Number 6. Red and white classic. Pair red napkins with white dinnerware and add candy cones and poinsettias for a traditional look. Number 7. Winter wonderland. Use silver and white decorations, sparkly ornaments, and snowflake-themed accents. Number 8. Holiday citrus. Add oranges with cloves tied with ribbons for a fresh and fragrant table accent. These ideas ensure your Christmas dinner table becomes a centerpiece of joy and beauty and festive celebration. Hope you have found an idea for your dinnerware table and must share in the comment section which one you have liked the most and how will you decorate your table in this Christmas party.